welcome back to another video from MBMRC. Today we're going to be reviewing the Excalibur Kit from Balsa USA. We built a lot of their stuff and we really think that it's nice, so we'd like you guys to check them out too. Thanks a lot, like and subscribe. Alright, here we are with Matthew, MBMRC. We're going to be doing a review today of the Balsa USA Excalibur. What's your initial thoughts on it, Matthew?
I've had this for at least 3, maybe 4 years now. Really good airplane, track's good. If I was to change anything on it, I would change those back fins there a little bit thicker, and I'd add a servo for working rudders. But you can still do stall turns and stuff with it. You just have to work the throttle a little bit. But
now, is this the same wing that the Smoothie has, if I'm not mistaken?
The Smoothie, yeah, it has the same wing as the Smoothie, only it's same fuselage too, only it's got a little bit different, it's got different formers and stuff in it. And
alright, what's the power plant? Well, first of all, what's the suggested power plant? What do they want you to have in it?
I think it calls for a 40 to a 45. I got a Super Tiger 45 in it.
It's a nice engine choice. It's my personal favorite. What's the price point on this kit?
$120.94, which is pretty good because these balsa blocks that they use in here, they're pretty beefy. It takes a while to get them sanded down.
All right. Is there anything other than that that back tail section that you would change or that you don't necessarily like with it? Was it kind of a pain to build, or was it pretty easy to build?
No, it was really easy to build. These ABS cheeks on the side, I would suggest either doing it out of solid balsa wood or making formers and sheet it, because they're not the strongest point on the engine, especially when you got slime and stuff running down the sides. It loosens them up.
Yeah. But all in all, you'd say it's a pretty good kit then?
Yeah,
you'd definitely build another one, you said.
Yep.
All right, well, we'll have to get some video of you flying it, and I know for sure it's been in the basement for quite some time now, so if he still got it and he's still flying it, well, he must like it, so. All right, thanks a lot for your time, Matthew.
Yep.
It's definitely a curious color scheme you have there.
It is the one that they had on the box. I actually liked it that much that I went to the effort to doing it. I actually used Chrysler red paint for the canopy, and it actually worked out pretty good. The thing that I really like about this plane is on those inverted paths, you can see there are 2 little forks hanging down. It actually looks pretty cool. It's, what would you say, 10-mile-an-hour winds right now?
Probably.
It handles it pretty good. That's not the fastest airplane, but it does pretty good.
Alright, as you can see, that thing was just a blast to fly. One thing he did forget to mention is instead of doing the torque rods, he did put dual ailerons in his, which gives it, a lot more throw on the ailerons, but it's not, you don't have to do it, nothing like that. It would be a great plane with or without them. We really enjoy everything from Balsa USA. They do a great job, and we'd really like to see, more people doing some kit building and stuff like that. So there's going to be some links in the description below for this. And any questions, if you decide to get one and you have some issues building, don't be afraid to ask us. And also, please do not be afraid to like and subscribe and click the notification bell next to our name so you'll be notified every time we put something new up. Thanks a lot. See ya.